Welcome to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to solve Wassce 2022 Core Mathematics question number 12 and also give you the scheme, how the marks were allocated. Let's start. 15 persons were shortlisted for a job interview. On the day of the interview, each applicant was assigned a number from 1 to 15. An applicant was called at random from the list of numbers. So find the probability that the applicant called has the number which is I prime II multiple of 3 III divisible by 5. The B part, PQRS is a quadrilateral with P 4 4 as coordinate, X 8 8 as coordinate, and R 12 8 as coordinate. If the vector PQ is equal to 4 times the vector XR, we have to find the coordinate of Q. So let's see the solution and then the scheme. Okay, so we said that from the question, a group of people were going for interview and then they were given numbers from 1 to 15. So let those numbers be the universal set as U, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15. Then we mention of prime numbers. Let X be prime numbers. Then Y be multiples of 3. W will be numbers divisible by 5. Okay, let's start with the first one, I. So we said that X is the list of prime numbers. So set X becomes, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. The number of prime numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's go back to the universal set. Number of universal sets is 15. So probability of the prime numbers, calling out a prime number, is number of prime numbers over the total, and which is 6 on 15. And 3 will go here, and then 3 will go here, 5. So we have 2 on 5. That will be the probability. The second one, we have to find multiples of 3. And we said that multiples of 3 should be Y. So what are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, and then 15. So number of multiples of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So if you want the probability of multiples of 3 to be number of over this, and this is equal to 5 on 15. 5 will go here 1, 5 will go here 3. So we have 1 on 3. The third one, numbers that are divisible by 5. So we said that W should be that divisible by 5. We have 5, 10, and then 15. So number of them is 3. So probability that the number called is divisible by 5, the number of the total number, and this is the same as 3 on 15. 3 will go here 1, 3 will go here 5. So we have 1 on 5. That will be the probability. Okay, let's move on to the second part. Now we have to find, we know the coordinates of a quadrilateral, we don't know the type of quadrilateral. Some of the points were given. We have the point X, which is 8 8. We have the point P, which is 4 4. We have the point R, which is 12 8. At least we know this. Okay. But we were told that if the vector PQ is 4 times the vector SR, we have to find the coordinate of Q. So here we use free vector. PQ is a free vector. And how do you define it? The terminal minus the initial. So the position vector of Q minus position vector of P be equal to 4 times this one, the position vector of R minus position vector of S. So let's substitute. We don't know Q, but we know of P, which is 4, 4, 4, 4, and it's equal to 4 times position vector of R is 12, 8, minus position vector of S is 8, 8. So we have position vector of Q minus 4, 4 will be equal to 4 times, now 12 minus 8 is 4, and then 8 minus 8 is 0. Position vector of Q becomes, so this will be 4 times 4, which is 16, 0, plus 4, 4. And this is, you add the x component, 20, and then 4. Now, you were asked to find the coordinate of Q. So, if you leave your answer this way, you will not get a full mark. So, therefore, Q becomes, in coordinate form, is 24. If you don't bring this, you lose 1 mark. Let's see how we are going to score this particular question. How Wassce scored it. Okay. So the first one, if the I part, if you are able to bring out the set of prime numbers according to the scheme, you are supposed to be given a bonus mark of 1. And then finding the probability is M1. The final answer is A1. So the first part, this one you get 3 marks. Let's go to II. For the I part, no marks was given to the set of multiples of 3. Then when a student begins to find the probability, being able to write 5 on 15, you are given method mark of 1. And then the final answer, which is 1 on 3, you are given another mark. The third one, the same thing applies to the second part. No mark was given to the set of numbers divisible by 5. But then if a candidate begins to find the probability at being able to write 3 on 15, you get M1. Then the final answer, A1. This is the first part. So let's check for the A part. We have 3 here, then 2, 2, 4. So total for the A part is 7, 7. Let's go to the B part. So now no mark was given to writing this. But then when you begin to substitute, you are given M1, method mark of 1, and then answer 1 for correct substitution. Now, if you are able to simplify this, you are given another 1 mark. Yes. And then the vector, the position vector of Q, if you are able to find 20 and then 4 in this form, you are given A1. Now, if you don't end here and you continue to write the coordinate of Q, you get another 1. So you see, if you don't write this, you are going to lose 1 mark. So sometimes students complain that, oh, I'm cheated by Wassce. It doesn't hold water, because there are some petty things that students left them out, which caused them. Yes. So this is also 5, and the total is 12 marks. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. I know this video has helped you. Now, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button and make sure you go through them and you know what Wassce wants from students, not what you want. They have set the questions, so they demand that you provide what they are looking for. So I wish you all the best in all your exams.